and bend. Okay. Then do 1, 2, 3. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap your leg properly. Stamp your leg properly to the floor. 1, 2, 3. Step. Taya, 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 taya. Okay, but keep your mandala properly. Come here. Do third one. How many steps, Shivani? In third Tattadavu, how many steps?
3. Tattadavu 3.
Tattadavu 3. How many steps?
3 steps and 1.
Okay. Tattadavu 3. So, yes, madam. Finish? Then you go and sit there. Do third one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Taya, taya, taya. 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 Okay?
Teacher, you teach 5th also. I will give a practice.
Okay. Do 5th one. Okay, 5th one, little difference between second, after second, there is a little gap. Means 1, 2, then
3, 4,
breathe
5.
edukana. 3, 4, 5. Breathe edukanda, alla time parnada. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then talam, tai, 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 ta. Next time, you bring one book.
Talam.
Then vacation time, you
I will give practice.
1, 2, 3, 5th one.
She is actually doing Bhagavad Gita class. She is taking. Chapter 12 is over. Now she is learning chapter 15. So we give practice.
That is good. 1, 2, 3. Step. 1,